Hey guys, it's Logan with Cleanup and Total Restoration. Today we're going to talk about 3 things that you should know about mold growth. So first off, let's kind of review how mold grows. Mold spores travel through the air and can land on your clothing and travel into your home or business. From there, excessive moisture and a lack of ventilation can stimulate spore growth. And so next up we'll have, where does mold grow? Mold can grow virtually on any surface, especially favors organic materials such as drywall, paper, wood products, sometimes even your carpet or flooring, as well as insulation. So there's definitely a ton of different options there that mold really favors. And last, we'll have, what to expect during remediation. First off, you'll always want to get your pre-remediation samples, which will include testing of the air and the quality and the amount of spores within the air, followed by identifying the source of moisture, stopping that as soon as possible. Next, we'll set up a containment, and then we'll get in negative air and HEPA vacuums if needed, followed by removing, any of the contained materials there that may be contaminated with mold spores or suspected mold growth, and then finally getting your remediation post samples there for the air quality. If you are experiencing any mold issues or suspicion of mold growth, please give us a call, whether in your home or business. Our number is 208-377-1877. We'd be happy to take a look for you. Thanks.